What's up everybody, this is your boy S and I'm back again with another episode. So in today's video we're going to unbox and take a look at DJI Osmo Mobile 3 and what comes with the combo package, and I will also go over the DJI Osmo Mobile application setup. So let's get right into it. First thing first, I'm going to take out this plastic from the top here. So for those of you who don't know what DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is, it's a smartphone gimbal. So let's look at the box itself. On this side it shows a folded version of the gimbal here, and on the other side it shows the unfolded version of the gimbal with the phone on the stabilizer there. On the side of the gimbal in here, it shows that what comes with the gimbal package here: a combo with the tripod stand and a pouch and a case for the gimbal itself. And on this side of the box it tells you what's actually in the box: a tripod, a pouch and a case, a gimbal itself, a charging cable to charge your gimbal, pouch and a wrist strap. So let's open the box here. There's one tick here. Let's see what's inside this. So here it comes with a package, a case there, and a box there. So there's nothing. Let me see what's inside. Just a foam inside to put the package securely, and I'm gonna put the box here. So these are the two items that comes with the DJI Osmo in the box here. So let's open this box and see what comes inside with it here. So the pretty nice packaging here, secure package here. So in here on the smaller side it comes with a wrist strap. It's pretty nice and has a DJI branding here, if you guys can see it properly. So this, and see what's in here. This is just a manual, a safety guide, and instruction how to fold and unfold the gimbal here, and tells you what app to download and how to function it. We'll go through this after some time in the video. So in here, so let's see what's in here. It's what it is. It seems like a pouch to put your gimbal inside securely. Here, nice. It's a pretty big pouch here. It has a nice branding also on the pouch. The material looks pretty premium here. Nice. I like the pouch already. And on this side here it comes with a charging cable here. I believe it's a type C charging cable. As you can see, is a type C charging cable here. And what else here? It's a tripod here. Let's open the tripod and see how does it look. It's wow, it's pretty nice, premium quality tripod here that goes at the bottom of the gimbal. We'll show you guys later on. It has a nice branding again here, as it says DJI here, and it also comes with a cushion here. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. So I'm gonna put everything aside for now, and we will look at the unit itself here. So let's open this up. I know guys are all excited for this part. This is a pretty nice case here. They make a pretty nice case. It has again nice branding on this side of the case here, DJI Osmo. It says it has a plastic pocket at the side so you can put the tripod here. As you can see, there's enough space to put the tripod in, or if you will be putting the charging cable inside, that's a good idea, and all kind of other stuff here. It's pretty flexible here. The elastic is pretty premium quality here. So let's open the box here, case. Let's see, how can I open this here? So here the unit itself, DJI Osmo gimbal there. On this side there's a foam for the protection here. As you guys see right away from the packaging, the new feature of the DJI Osmo is the folded version of the gimbal here. So let's take this out. Comes with a silica gel here, I don't care about this, and also a foam inside to pretty secure if you guys are traveling anywhere. The pouch is pretty secure and safe, so you guys can travel it with no problem here. So now let's look at the pouch here. The pouch is premium quality. Let's just try to put this gimbal inside the pouch here. This pouch does not really offer much protection here. For the protection, you can always put your gimbal into the case here, but it doesn't look bad putting into the pouch here and throwing into your luggage. If you don't want to put it on the case here, this gimbal fits in perfectly fine into the pouch. And now look at the gimbal itself here. I pretty much like the unfolded condition of the gimbal here. It's pretty compact here. This is, as we compare it to gimbal 3, the gimbal 2, I mean, this is much smaller as compared to the older version of this. Is pretty much the size of my hand here. Let's look at the mini tripod here. This tripod is pretty easy to put screw it at the bottom of the gimbal here. As you can see, it's pretty quickly. You can always use this mini gimbal to make time lapse or take some movie shots here. So let's just pretty much it what DJI Osmo included in the box here. So let's just, before I go unfold this gimbal here, I'll just go through this. What do these stickers is? The stickers is here phone camera action, so you can just put your phone on particular angle here, and some of the instruction here how you can unfold the gimbal here. So one of the coolest feature about this gimbal is the foldable design of this gimbal. So you can just pretty much go unfold like this and you can deploy it properly in like few seconds here. So before I go put my phone inside, let's go over the buttons and some of the feature of this gimbal here. So at the bottom it has a quarter 20 to put your tripod in or any other stand, whatever you want to wish. So on the side they have a Type-C connector here to charge your gimbal. So this is one of the new feature as we compare this to the gimbal 2. This is definitely one of the cool feature here. And here it has a USB connector here. It's like this, so you can connect your phone to this USB and charge it while you're filming it. And at the bottom, at the side, it has a zoom toggle here, so you can zoom and unzoom right from here. So on the back they have a trigger button here that was absent in the previous version of this gimbal. This button is pretty handy, and this button can do quite a bit of functionality with the gimbal. Using Active Tracking 3.0, this just press once, it will lock the subject for you. Double press will reset your gimbal. A 3 press here will switch your back camera to the front camera or front camera to the back camera. And when you do press and hold, it will lock your gimbal to a particular position. And when you do double press and hold, it will initiate the sports mode. So let's go to the front. In the front we have a power button, shutter button, and a 4-way joystick. I will talk about this amp button once we put our phone in the gimbal. So now let's start connecting this to your phone. So they also have an app for the iOS devices and the Android app. So for the Android, you just go to your Play Store, write DJI Mimo App here, DJI Mimo App, click install, and it will take a few minutes to install the software, the app here. So as you guys can see, the app is finally downloaded here. Let's open the app here. It will go through some initial step. It will ask you so you can access the photos media. Just hit OK, allow it, and it will take a couple of minutes to load it up. Click agree here. It will ask you if you can access the device location. Click allow. Now it will just give you some tutorial. Just skip that. Let's just get right into the camera here. So on the left side up corner there's a camera option. So here you have to make sure to connect your phone to the gimbal. It's asking me to turn on the Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth here. Now we'll start searching. Make sure when you turn on the Bluetooth on, you turn on this power button here. Turn on the gimbal for the first time. So it will keep looking here. So let's see if it can search the gimbal here. Give it a few minutes. So as you guys can see, it has found the gimbal here. It says Osmo 3. Let's connect this gimbal. Just press the connect button there. Let's just wait for a few seconds so it can be connected. So I will ask you here some information, product term of use here. Just press agree, and here let's see what it's asking. Activate your Osmo when you connect for the first time to receive an update. Obtain Osmo device information. Just press yes, and then keep going to the next. Press the next button, and now log in with your information here. If you're not registered, you can register it, and now you can log in if you already have an account here. So I never owned one of these gimbal before, so I'm gonna register it for the first time. So now here I have put my information and the password, and I'm just gonna press register here. So it will take a couple of seconds to register it. Now it's asking me to log in with my password here, so I'm gonna log in now. I have logged in, and now it's asking me to saying that it's successfully logged in here. So just press next here. Now it's asking me to install the phone, which I already have installed it. Let's activate it. Now I can see the movement here of the gimbal. It's actually moving. This screen is just simply saying it's two-year warranty, accidental hardware coverage, and water damage coverage. One of the best feature I like about this gimbal is like on the box of the gimbal here, it says that once again, if I can show you the box here, it says here your DJI Osmo comprehensive coverage, giving you 2 years of warranty and one-time free accidental damage repair service. This is one of the cool features I like. So if you damage your gimbal and by mistake or drop it, they can actually fix your gimbal one time for free here. So it's just giving you some information here. You can just skip here. It just tells you how to activate, tells you that activation is successfully noticed for the beginner. Let's see what it says. It's just telling me how to insert my phone in, this initial setups here. Just go over through it nicely. So now here just telling me some beginner information. How do you put your phone inside? Hold tilt motor and move right or left until phone remains balanced when released. So I have to put the phone in particular position, so when you leave your don't hold it, it will actually balance the phone. On the next page it just tells me that again, hold tilt when the phone is balanced and remain balanced when released. And here just tells me what the function of the joystick here. Just see here, it's already working. So here on my joystick, when I go left, my gimbal is moving left, right. All the functions are already working here. And now here it's telling me you press once to take a picture or start or stop the recording here with the shutter button here. Here M button is just giving me some information that if you press once, switch between photos and video mode and check battery level, and press twice, it will switch between landscape to portrait mode, and press 3 times, it will enter the sleep mode, and press and hold, it will turn on and off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this. It might help me in the future here. So in the next step, it tells me to zoom in. You just move this toggle here upside up and bottom to zoom in and zoom it. On the next screen here, it tells me the trigger button at the back. It tells me that there's a couple of functionality here for trigger button. Press and hold, enter lock mode and release to exit the lock mode. Press once, start or stop active tracking. So that's pretty cool. Press twice, recenter the gimbal. It will put the gimbal into the original position. Press 3 times to switch between front and back camera. Press 1 and then press and hold. Enter sports mode and release to exit. So there's couple of options, you just have to get used to it. Again, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this photo here, so it will help me in the future. So now next page where it talks about the charging on Osmo. You can plug in with your Type-C charger and charge your device. You can use any of the cube that you use for your phone or an iPhone to charge your gimbal here, or you can even connect this to your laptop. And here, that's it, done. Tutorial is done. So here, let's start. So here is gonna download the firmware on my phone here. It will take a couple of seconds here. So it's already installed, it says. So it has, now you can see it's no longer control here. It will take a couple of minutes to download the software here. Let's just wait. Now you can see it has successfully downloaded the firmware here. Just press OK and press done. It will ask you if you have permission to take pictures and record the video. Press OK and allow it to record the audio as well. Just wait for a few seconds for it to update. Now it's properly aligned and you can properly control. It's properly connected to your phone now. Here all the joystick and zoom functionality is working fine. Now let's try one of the buttons feature here. So if I press my M button for 2 times, it will go from portrait mode to landscape mode here. So that's it for today guys. If you guys like this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you.